Hi everyone, in this video we're going to work on solving a triangle using law of sines. So for starters, if you've got the print off of this, change the problem. I wanted to be giving you beta is 115 degrees, gamma is 45 degrees, and A equals 23. So I'm going to start with a 115 degree angle, which looks a little bit bigger than 90, 115. And that's my beta. And then I know that one of the other two angles is a 45. So let me think of what that looks like. Could be sort of like this. Okay, 45, and that is gamma. So over here is alpha. This has to be side B, this has to be side C, and then we know that side A is 23. Okay, so looking at this, if I want to set up my law of sines, I need that known pair, and I don't have one. I have beta but not B, I have gamma but not C, there we go, and I have A but not alpha. So in terms of picking out two of the ratios in law of sines, I'm kind of in trouble. So this is where it's really important that you remember that if you've got two angles, you've really got three. So what's the sum of this? 150, 160, which means that this has to be 20 degrees to make them add up to 180. And now I can do law of sines. I can say sine of 20 degrees over 23. And then I can pick whichever one I want. If I want to go for B first, I'll take sine of 115 degrees divided by B. And I would multiply by B to get it out of the denominator. And then I would multiply by the reciprocal of sine 20 over 23. So I get B is 23 times the sine of 115 degrees divided by sine of 20 degrees. Okay, so this becomes a calculator question. Let me fiddle with focus a little, you guys. That looks a little blurry to me. That's as good as it gets. Okay, so 23 sine of 115 degrees divided by sine of 20 degrees is about 60.95 B. That's my side length, and that seems reasonable. It should definitely be bigger than A, so about 60.95. And then I'm just missing side length C, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a sine 20 degrees over 23, and I'm going to say that equals sine 45 degrees over C. And then following really similar steps, we're going to get that C is 23 times sine 45 degrees over sine 20 degrees. So I can just snag that last entry, and all I have to change is that that's 47.55. So C is about 47.55. Okay, and notice this one was not an angle side side, so there's no chance for ambiguous case. We know these two angles, which forces us to know which direction to draw both of these rays, and there's only one point they can cross. So that looks like our full triangle. Thanks for watching.